Hello guys, welcome to another project in this Project DIY channel. Today we're gonna be replacing the old-fashioned Honeywell with, you got it, the Nest. This little nifty product, what it does is connect to your Wi-Fi at home, and then you can control it from anywhere with your phone, tablet or computer, which is very convenient. Alright, so let's get started. So first remove this. All you do is just wiggle it out, just like this. And then here we can see the wires. We can see which wires are already connected, which will be basically the same wires that's gonna be connected to the Nest product as well. We got some extra wires, but I don't think I'm gonna be using them. So we got a W2, we got a G for green, O for orange, and we got another Y for yellow and an R for red. Also, if you're not familiar with wiring, you also have this handy book here that explains how to put them together. All right, let's get to it. Now we can unhook the wires and make sure they don't touch each other. Okay, so I'm gonna be using this plate here so I can cover this ugly part of the wall here. Now we're gonna put the little Nest back plate. Alright, so now we can put back the wires. All you do is press on this little tabs and you can shove the cable in there. Okay, so as easy as this. Now we can put the Nest on and see if the wiring is correct. Then this should be coming on. You just press it in there. I can see the light blinking. Okay. Maybe the battery is low, and just like a phone, it needs to charge up first before it can come up. Well, I can hear my fan turn on, so it looks like okay, yeah, so you just need to go through a setup, date and time, and internet, and so on and so forth. But yeah, basically that's it with the Nest product. It's very easy and straightforward to do. If you like this video, just give it a thumbs up, share it, or like it. I will appreciate it. Thank you.